Okay, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. The vehicle has 54,263 miles on it. Got the heads-up display here, if you can see that. The suspension feels good. That's a really big bump. It took it perfect. Brakes are solid. The steering wheel does not shake or shimmy when you apply the brakes. It gets up and goes, shifts nice and smooth. Really no complaints, it drives perfect. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel. Looks really nice. Here on the fender, kind of scanning through this. That looks good. Side mirror looks awesome. A-pillar looks good. That door edge is clean. All of that looks good. A couple little scuffs on the plastic, really common. Got a tiny chip there. Lower side looks good. That wheel looks amazing. This side is really, really nice. All right, checking out the front. You have the illuminated emblem here, which is awesome. I'll try to get a video of that as well with the lights off. Scanning the hood here. Very clean. I don't see anything that stands out. And looking at that edge for rock chips, it is super, super clean. It looks really good. Here on the headlight, nice and clear. You have a little scratch right here. Typical little rock impacts. Just a few every once in a while. It's very, very minor. That front end looks awesome. And then here on the engine bay, all of this is very clean. Looks really good. So here on the illuminated emblem, I can see the LEDs here and a little on the M, but I don't see them on the G. So it looks like the G is broke. It's very subtle. Here on the driver's side, looking at that fender, looks awesome. That wheel looks amazing. Now this side mirror does have some gashes on it, on the plastic, on that blinker and the paint. The rest of it looks good. A-pillar looks nice. You have a couple chips on the door edge. That door looks nice. Quarter panel's clean. That wheel looks good. This side looks awesome. Minus that mirror, everything else looks perfect. Then here on the back side, looking at the tail lights, they look good. All of that's clean. That taillight looks good. Little notch out of the plastic. Couple scuffs there. Let's see. A couple imperfections on that. The rest of that looks good. And then you have some rubber mats. This looks like the second row. Got the power folding third row. Got your outlet back here. The back of the seats look good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. That wood grain looks good. All of that's clean. Buttons look perfect. The stitching looks good. Armrest is nice. I don't see any flaws that stand out on that panel. It looks good. Typical scuffs on this trim, a little dent. There's no floor mats. That bolster looks good. Upper section looks nice. A couple spots of wear right there. Besides that, that seat is almost perfect. Those look good. A couple tiny scuffs here and there on the steering wheel. Otherwise it looks good. Heads-up display. All of that looks nice. All of this leather is perfect up here. Screen looks good. Those buttons look nice. Now you can see this is kind of tilted up just a little bit. It's supposed to sit kind of flush. Looks like you have to just push it and it pops open. So it looks like that's broke, but it still functions. That works great. Armrest looks good. This side is really clean. Here on the back left door panel, all of that looks amazing. Wood grain looks awesome. Trim looks good. Seats are really clean. All the stitching looks nice. This screen looks perfect as well. Very, very clean in here. Here on the front right door panel, the wood grain looks good. All of that's clean. All the stitching is perfect. Rest of that looks good. Couple scuffs on the trim here. I don't see any floor mats. That bolster looks amazing. Here on this side, the stitching's coming undone just a little bit right there. Upper section looks good. All of that looks nice. Very, very clean. Dash looks good over here. Here on the back right door panel, all that wood grain looks good. That looks awesome. Lower section looks nice. These seats look amazing. I don't see any flaws. Then you have the rear media screens. These seats are heated. All of that looks good. The seat backs look nice. That screen's perfect. I don't see any flaws. Then here on the third row, seats look good. I don't see any imperfections back here.